It's been already 1 month since my YouTube is monetized. So in this video, guys, I want to share with you how much money I made the first month. Before I got monetized on YouTube, I really loved watching these videos where people were sharing how much money they made on YouTube, and maybe you are also just starting out with YouTube and you're really curious how much money you can make, and especially the first month after monetization, because it's kind of exciting. So I want to share with you, just my actual information, what's going on within my creator studio on YouTube and how much money I made and all that stuff. I made a plan for this video, and first of all, I would like to share with you what exactly helped me to reach this milestone, to be eligible for the monetization partnership program on YouTube. And there are two things that really helped me to reach those numbers, that the criteria that YouTube has in order to be able to get money from the ads. And then I'm going to be sharing with you how much money I made, and also about CPM, because I feel like not a lot of people talk about CPM, and it's a topic that really interesting because you can actually estimate more or less how much money you're gonna make the next month based on the amount of views you receive, because YouTube is paying to you for 1,000 views. All right, so let's begin with the first one, and it's how to reach this milestone of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Let me share with you my screen. So as you can see on this graph, I started my YouTube channel. Well, I didn't start it, I just made an account on YouTube in 2011, October 25, and of course I didn't publish anything until the first videos, which was May 2019. And here you can start seeing the growth. So you can see here that it was growing, and then at some point, which was March, not even March, it was like in February, I started producing videos. I don't know why, I just felt like I didn't want to produce it anymore, and I didn't have more motivation. But then the quarantine happened and I had more time, so I challenged myself to produce 3 videos a week, and that's when my channel started to grow really fast. So here you can see it was actually booming in April, and now it's still growing. First criteria of 1,000 subscribers I reached actually pretty early, which was around March or something like this. But the most challenging part for me was to increase in watch time. When I had 1,000 subscribers, watch hours was about 2,500, so I still was missing 1,500 watch hours, which I really needed these hours to be able to start to monetize my channel. And I actually restructured my videos, and that's really helped me to gain my watch hours. What I started to do is to analyze actually the performance of my videos, the analytics, and I saw that people are dropping off after 2 or max 3 minutes of watching my videos, and that's really was affecting my watch hours. So what I did is I stopped doing long introductions, because before my introduction was like, hello guys, what is up, welcome back to my channel, this is Tatiana and I'm social media manager, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I mean, those kind of stuff is, yeah, it's really important for self-promotion, but I feel like when someone, especially a new user who is jumping onto your content, who found your YouTube video due to the search or in suggested videos, and then you click on the video and start watching, and then you have this really long introduction of yourself in every video, and this kind of annoying. And for some reason, I didn't really realize it in the beginning. And as I said, in one of my future videos, I'm sharing about personal branding and why you should stop caring about personal brand. But I took a course about YouTube marketing from a big YouTuber, and that's what they recommend me to do, is to do this introduction. And actually that doesn't work the same for everyone, so at least it didn't work for me, and I just decided straight to the topic, and maybe somewhere in the middle I would do a self-promotion of my channel and other social media accounts so people can start from me. So that's really helped me to increase my watch hours. And the second thing what I did, I started to produce longer videos that are longer than 10 minutes or so, because according to my analytics I realized that I get more views and I get more watch minutes, watch hours for the longer videos. So those two things I started to do. I skipped the introduction. I went straight to the point in my videos. And the second thing is increase my increase the length of my videos. That really helped me to increase my watch hours, and I got to this 1,500 watch hours more extra. That this timing was missing to hit this 4,000 watch hour milestone to be able to monetize my YouTube channel. So I hit that within like 1 month or something like that. So that was really fast. Those two things really helped me to increase my watch hours, and maybe you are at the point where you have also hit 1,000 subscribers, but you're missing watch hours, because as far as I know, that's like a lot of people have this struggle to reach this number. Well, and by the way, guys, if you are interesting how the whole monetization process works on YouTube, you can check the video right here. I'm also gonna leave the link in the description box. It's where I'm sharing about the whole monetization process and how it's actually working in reality, because I just made it recently applied for the monetization process, and how long does it take to get approved by YouTube to be able to start to monetize your channel. So everything is in that video. So I'm not gonna stop here too long, and let me share with you how much money I made July. I got monetized on YouTube on June 29th, and now it's 31st of July. So I'm making my video on 31st of July. So let me show you how much money I made the last month. Let's choose the custom date from the 29 to 29. I think it's going to be better like this. Yes, from June 29 to July 29. All right, apply. All right, so this is the amount of money I made in last month from the 29th of June to 29th of July. And honestly, I don't know if it's a lot or it's not a lot, or it's a decent amount of money that I made the first month, or it's not a decent amount of money, because whenever I was watching the videos about how much money you made the first month on YouTube, it's actually very different. So from YouTuber to YouTuber, some people make, I don't know, $20, some people make $150, some people make $500 per month. Anyway, so this is how much money I made, and of course this is the first month since monetization, and I'm more than happy about this, because the most amazing thing about monetization is that I get the most of the money, as you can see here from the videos that was published before I get monetized. Some of the videos are super long, super old, and that I published like a year ago, and they bring the most money to my account, let's say it like that. Yeah, it's kind of, I started finally to feel that it's kind of to pay off. I mean, it's pay off in a different ways, but already a long time ago, but what it pays off right now, so it kind of, it's a tangible thing, let's say it like that. But of course, it doesn't mean that I get this money straight to my bank account, because YouTube works in that way that once you are reached $100, then your money by the end of the month, when the YouTube is transferring money to its creators, are going to be deposited to my account, and then of course I'm gonna see this money in my bank account. But since this month I didn't reach $100, that means this money I'm gonna see next month, so in August. So it's always coming a little bit later. So I'm gonna be able to see this money that I made in the last month, I will be able to see only in August, in the end of August or something like that. So yeah, if you guys interested to know how actually all this depositing process is working, also let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll make a video on that if it's an interesting topic for you, because it's also very new for me, and yeah, it's kind of exciting to see how it's gonna work. So now let's talk about CPM, cost per milli, or cost per 1,000 impressions. Before I got monetized on YouTube, I was of course researching how much money you can make for 1,000 1,000 views, because this statistic you can already see on your analytics when you're not monetized, and you can hardly estimate how much money you're gonna make with the amount of views that your channel receives per month. And I was researching, and people were saying that the good CPM, so cost per 1,000 impression, is around from $4 to $5, but this number can reach up to $20 and even more. It really depends on the niche, on the type of the videos that you produce, the topics you're talking about in your videos, the audience who is watching your videos, where this audience is located. So it's really different, and that's what I want to show you, how the CPM is different according to different locations. Yeah, let me just show you the screen recording. Oh, my computer died. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna share with you from my Creator Studio on my phone right now. Okay, so let me just open my Creator Studio, and I'm gonna be sharing with you because I use Creator Studio on my phone all the time, and it's also pretty cool how it's working on here. So we're gonna go to the revenue tab, and here we're gonna see top CPMs by countries. So I'm gonna go, unfortunately cannot make it custom, but I'm gonna just pick July because that was the month when I started to get money from YouTube. So my highest CPM is coming, of course, from the audience who are located in the United States, which is around $2. And then I have United Kingdom, which is $7.22, and India 0.76 cents per 1,000 views. As you can see, that really varies on the audience, where your audience is watching videos when they click on the ads. So it's really so different. And on average, my CPM is $8, which I think is not really bad, which is, according to some sources, is a good CPM, maybe very good CPM. But I know that some YouTubers that are talking about YouTube, of course, is not my number one source of revenue, and I'm not relying on that, but not yet. Let's say it like that. All right, guys, that was it for today. I hope this video was useful for you and you learned something new. And of course, lots of luck for you, for those who are waiting for monetizing your YouTube channel. And I hope you get something useful from this video. And if there is any comments, questions, ideas for my next videos, make sure to write it below in the comments, because I create content based on your request.